Squats and lunges are a great way to work out your legs and glutes. To do squats, first, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, holding your hands out in front of you. Slowly bend your knees and push your hips back until your thighs are parallel with the floor. Hold for a second, then drive through your heels as you slowly return to the starting position. Make sure you keep your back straight through the whole exercise. Try doing 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. To do lunges, start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart. Then, take a big step forward, lowering down and bending your knees until they make a 90-degree angle. Lift back up and step back to the starting position. Alternate the leg you step forward with, aiming for 10 to 12 reps per leg. To make your squats and lunges more challenging, hold a dumbbell in each hand as you do them.